Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is how to make vegetarian Chinese noodles. Noodles are a mainstay in the Chinese diet and really easy to make vegetarian. We're going to start by making a lo mein sauce using 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, 4 tablespoons of peanut oil, and 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. We'll mix these all together and heat on the stove until it thickens. Then we'll move to our wok and stir fry some julienne carrots, some onions, some peppers. We'll toss these for a few minutes and then we'll add our noodles and snow peas. We'll mix this really well and then add in our vegetarian lo mein sauce. Mix really well and then it's ready to serve. And there you have it, how to make a vegetarian Chinese noodle dish.